If you have never had Ogbono soup, you're about to meet the soup that literally draws you in. Hi faves! Welcome back to my kitchen. Let's cook together. Here is everything I used for this recipe. We have our blended Ogbono. And this is what Ogbono seed looks like before blending. We also have some chopped onions, blended crayfish, some dry fish and some stockfish. We'll be using some beef and cow skin, blended scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning powder, palm oil, salt, and fluted pumpkin or ugu leaves. First, I added my pomo and beef into a pot, poured in my blended pepper, my seasoning, and my salt. I stirred everything together so that the beef would absorb all the seasoning. Then I added my chopped onions. You stir that to combine with everything. Covered it up and let it cook until the beef was soft and tender. Once the beef was ready, I added my stockfish and my dry fish. This helps to build flavor. At this point, I realized that the pot I was using was too small for the amount of proteins I had. So I transferred this to a bigger and deeper pot. Then I added my ground crayfish. Let me not sing too much praises about crayfish because guys, what is African soup without crayfish? See, try it, just try it and come and tell me. Next, I went in my palm oil and covered it to let that palm oil heat up and loosen a little. While I waited for that to cook, I added some hot water to my blended ogbono and mixed that thoroughly. There are different methods to mix your ogbono so that you don't have lumps. This is one way. The other way is to fry it in oil, but this method we're not frying. So we're melting this ogbono with hot water in a separate bowl first. Once the pot has started boiling like this, you go in with your already melted ogbono. You add some more water to this to help loosen up the ogbono paste that we made. You can see that ogbono is already drawing my soul, like I could literally lick my screen right now. So we'd let that come up to a boil. Then we stir this thoroughly because ogbono tends to burn really fast and we don't want that. And finally, I added my chopped ugu leaves. I gave that a good stir and let it cook for just a few minutes. Once you add your ugu, you don't want to cook it for too long because cooking it for too long kills the nutrients. And that's it, loves. Ogbono soup done right. Thick, rich, and full of flavor. Serve it hot with your favorite swallow. If you loved this video, I beg, like this video and drop a comment. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye.